Every day, chat and chart live during the New York session. Here, real traders share the raw truth, their mindset, technical analysis, and execution. This is where real traders show their skill set. Welcome to Tradin TV. This is your stage to shine.
Yeah, hello guys.
Hi guys.
Hello.
Hi. How are you?
Hi guys.
I'm well. How are you guys?
Yeah,
All
I'm
right,
good.
thank you.
All
How's
right.
going you guys these days?
Yeah, for me it's going good. I took a trade on Monday, and when the market opened, I just bought gold. And yesterday I haven't took any trade. And you?
Not bad actually. It's been a pretty decent week so far. I wasn't
No.
buying on Friday, so or
Okay.
selling. But yeah, it's been okay so far. Let's see how it behaves the rest of the week.
All right.
I'm going to check the news. I don't know if there's any news coming up.
Yeah,
Yes, we
like are
have
you sharing
news
your
today.
screen? Are you sharing your screen?
Sorry, say again.
Like, are you sharing your screen?
Yeah, you can share it. Go ahead.
Give me a minute. Like, I'm just logging in.
Oh, there's news in minutes and then in 2 hours. All right.
Yes.
Okay.
For me, it has also been good. But yesterday I did bleed a bit since what gold did yesterday. The whole of the week I was trying to long gold, maybe to all-time highs because of the ongoing war. But yeah, yesterday we had a bloodbath in the market, so I bled a bit. But nonetheless, we still survive.
Hello, everyone in the chat. Hello, Shishi. You're a regular. You're always with us. Thank you very much. Chowdak, Balagang. I'm not sure I'm pronouncing the names properly, but you get the point. I'm doing my best there. The great Alex. Farming. Hello, farming. Okay. Probably you have to go in a bit. Pages. Rush. Okay.
It's Raj.
Siraj.
Raj.
Oh, that's okay. Rush. Do you trade New Zealand or gold?
No, like I took a trade in gold now. Yeah. So, someone mic is actually it's echoing. Hello, I'm audible.
Yes, yeah, we can hear you. Can you hear me?
No, like it's kind of echoing.
It's lagging a little bit.
All right, fine. So I'll just explain my entry in gold. Yeah, fine.
All
So
right.
this is the entry actually I took in gold, and I held till this level. This is my target, and obviously it is because of news, because of war, right? So I just actually it is around 4:30 a.m. in India. So I woke up early on Monday, And what it is, like, just wait for the market, and immediately it started moving on the high side, but I just waited for some confirmation or some kind of manipulation. And what happened is, again, the market fell down and eventually took out this low, and also it filled out this end dog. Yeah. So the market took
Ah,
out this
pretty
low,
good.
and yeah, so after taking out this low, the market immediately started reversing. And I'm just waiting for this particular high to take out, or at least this candle open to take out. And the market went up, and then again it gave a pullback, and then again the market started breaching this level, right? So once the market broke this level, I just entered here and I kept my stop loss here, and I just kept my target here. So this is my trade that I took on Monday. Yeah, so it's a kind of consolidation, and again the market eventually hit my target. But after that, yeah, it's a very good fall. So
Good
I
trade.
was actually, yeah, so I was actually expecting a bull run in gold, but yeah, but still, like, it's a good scalp for me. So this is the only trade that I took this week.
Hmm.
And you, Rosa?
I didn't take any trades on my personal account, so I've been trading futures because I saw market was extremely volatile. Oh no, I'm
Okay,
just kidding. No, 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 that's not true. I just took a trade. It was a loss, and then I thought, okay, just leave it for a few hours, just relax, and move to futures. So I've been trading
okay,
futures constantly, over and over this week, which is fine. It's been okay.
okay,
Personal account minus 0.7% down, which is nothing. So all in all, it's fine.
okay,
Today, I think gold's behaving to me, to my strategy, is behaving properly, like
oh,
better. Let's see if I can find a trade and I'll jump in.
all right. And Samuel, like, did you took any trade?
Yeah, I took a trade today on German 30 during London. This week I was on gold buys also since Monday. And yeah, today I'm still waiting. Probably after the news, I might look for a setup. Not again any trade today apart from the German 30 trade which I took on London. It was a buy trade. It's a simple one is to four, and I was out.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Okay, all right.
What are your thoughts on gold today? Do you think,
Yeah,
Rosa,
yeah, like,
according to
I'll I'll share my analysis on gold now.
yeah,
Yeah, so, like, we can able to look at a daily chart time frame, and we can able to see this correction, right, of like almost, yeah, it's around 20% fall, and the market actually reversed completely. So whenever the market is falling in gold, I'll see it as correction. I won't turn my bias completely into bearish. So whenever the market is falling in gold, I'll always wait for some kind of manipulation or key levels, and I'll wait for the market to reverse. That is how I trade gold. But if you're a good scalper, even you can scalp in this downfall or in this downfall, or even if the market is falling, like, for a particular level, you can just plan your trades accordingly, but you have to be sure with your targets.
yeah,
Okay, fine. So in daily time frame, what happened is yesterday the market, like, we can able to see a very good fall, and the market fell down, and also it took support from this resistance level, as well as we are having a fair value gap. So yeah, so we're having a
oh,
beautiful bullish fair value gap, and combining with the resistance level, or even you can point it as a like inversion fair value gap. So the market reaches level, and it is a very good key level. So what I'll be doing is, like, I'll just wait for some kind of sell liquidity in the lows. So we can just shift to 1 hour time frame, and you can able to see. So this is the daily FEG level, and also we're having a very good low, good sell liquidity. Okay, so the market took out this low, and the market fell the daily FEG level. And what happened is, yeah, so once it tapped daily FEG level, and you can able to see the market started reversing, and now it is making higher rise. So which is a good sign of reversal. And even you can just go to lower time frame, 5 minutes time frame. You can able to see the market is making higher highs.
Mm.
I'll also I'll remove this box. Yeah. So, yeah. So the market is currently making higher highs, and yeah. So you can see a bit consolidating over this level, a small consolidation, and what happened is, yeah. So after this consolidation, again the market broke this level, and again there is a small pullback, and again the market broke out this level. And what happened is, after taking out this high, the market fell down. You can able to see again. So whenever the market is falling, it is always a buy sign for me. I'll always look for some kind of key levels, and I'll plan my buy trades accordingly. So what happened is, from this level the market fell down, and it eventually started taking out these lows, 1 2 3, and also you can able to see this. Okay, so these are like sell side liquid levels, and after taking out this low, the market is currently making highs. Okay, and the momentum is too good. So what I'll be looking out is, if someone is planning in lower time frame, 1 minute time frame, I'll just wait for the market to retrace back at least till when the market reach out this particular level, like either this resistance level. I'll wait for the market to take support from this level, and then I'll plan buy trades, and I'll keep this as my target.
So sorry, Rishi. So you plan for gold to retrace to that level you
Yeah,
marked there, and then
yeah, but
start
I
buying.
think now it is actually quite hard, because like again the market started moving up higher with very good strong displacement. So if the displacement continues now, then we can't expect deep retracements. We can't expect below 50%, and all. It is not possible. Um, or else, like, at least we can expect a small retracement. So that is what I'm planning. If the market retraces a very little, then I'll plan buy trades accordingly. If the market takes support for this level, I'll plan buy trades, and then I'll keep this as my target. So this is my plan on gold.
Good, good.
That's
And yours?
amazing, amazing, amazing analysis, bro.
Yeah.
So do you usually buy the dips at a good discount, plus
Mm.
you look for a level just to start buying?
Yeah,
Okay,
exactly. We can
it makes
also plan
sense.
sell trades in gold, but we have to be very careful with the target, because whenever the market started falling in gold, it will always look for discounted price, so that again the buyers will start buying and it will bounce back again.
All right.
So if you are capturing the sell side, you have to be careful with the target. For example, let's say if I'm going for sell trade, I'll maximum I'll keep this low, or this low as my target. I won't expect till this low and out. Like according to my setup, I won't expect. Maximum I'll expect till this close.
Okay, news in 2 minutes. Let's see.
Yeah.
Let's wait. Any of you in any trades right now?
No,
No,
I'm
no,
not.
no, no. Not in any
No.
trade. Also, not in any trade, just waiting for the reaction. I want to see how gold reacts before I make a decision.
Let's see. 1 minute. Gold's been going up, and I've missed an opportunity in one of the levels you were talking about, like 15 minutes before 15 minutes earlier. I just missed a trade. Interesting, because Rishi, you're the first person I see, because I buy the dips as well. So I wait for a retracement and try
Okay.
to buy. 90% of the time, I only buy. I feel more confident, and it's my edge buying gold. I don't usually sell it,
Okay.
and yeah, you're the first person I reach out that's buying the dip as well, like I do. It's difficult to buy the dip because you are in the moment you go in the market, you are counter trend.
Yeah,
In the time frame you are executing, you are counter trend. So
exactly.
you see price falling, 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 and you have to have the courage just to get in when it reaches the area you're trying to find. And that's not for everyone.
Definitely.
Like finding the key level is more important.
Yeah.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Things have come out, but can't see quite of a reaction from it. But it's
Mm.
good for the US dollar. It's positive for the US dollar.
Okay, news out. Uh, Not too much of a movement.
Yeah.
Nothing happened actually.
Yeah, actually. It hasn't tapped um, my level of entry yet. I'm thinking of shorting gold from 5239 around that area, 5239, all the way now down to where it reversed from, because I'm not yet convinced we have bottomed out yet. Not yet fully convinced, but bullish on the long run. Definitely bullish on the long run.
What's the level you are expecting just to sell gold? What level?
From 5225 all the way to 5291. That's my area where I want to see a reaction from that place.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, entering at
Okay.
highs is actually a bit risky. At least we need some good retracement to happen.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Then we can plan our trades. Till then, you can ask questions, guys. Like if you have any questions, you can just ask in the chat box. We'll try to answer.
Raj is asking, give some advices, friends, for current unpredictable market. If it's unpredictable, my advice is just stay out until you see a clear edge you can trade. What do you think, guys?
I agree with you. Also, probably another advice that I'd give is trade what you see. Don't trade what you think. I have fallen for the so-called narrative that when there's
Hmm.
geopolitical tension, you should buy things like gold, things like that. And of course, they're probably like right because gold is a safe haven, but trade what you see. Yesterday, if I took the setups I normally take, I would have gone short on gold and would have really taken advantage of the gold falling. But because I traded what I thought was right or what I thought it being the geopolitical news, then I think that's where I you can really fail. Just trade what you see. Don't trade what you think.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Samuel, Shishi's asking you a question. If you could answer, please.
Yesterday, she's asking basically it's yesterday's new session. Which someone is with. Yes. Basically yesterday's New York high. Give me a minute to go back. Oh, yes, yesterday's New York high, and yeah, basically yesterday's New York high, and maybe just a little bit of a retracement up, then we can go down. Yeah, there are a lot of stop orders which are resting. around that area.
Yeah, even Euro USD is looking good actually. Look at this, a very good consolidation, and the market broke out, and again it is consolidating, and it is taking support from the resistance level, and again the market broke out this high, and it is retracing back. It is actually a good sign of buy. Again, if the market took support from this level, and if it start moving on the high side, we can actually go for buys.
Ah, nice. Yeah. For EU, if I'm going to take a buy, I have to wait for yesterday's low to be taken out first.
Yesterday's low. Whoa.
It's quite far. It's quite far.
Yes, it is. I mean, there's nothing gold can do. I mean, it's affordable, but it is low.
Oh, okay. Not yesterday's low on gold, but EU. EU. If I'm going to buy Euro
Oh, okay,
USD,
okay. I thought you
yeah,
said gold to
not
say,
gold.
wow.
No. Not, that's pretty far.
Yeah, because I was thinking everything's going to die, but it's fine if we go that low in a session.
Yes.
It is going to reach the 50% level. Let's see how it actually reacts.
Pretty slow now. Um, why is it so slow? Let me check something. Maybe it's my computer.
What happened?
I see gold moving very, very slow, and which is not pretty normal. No, I think it's me. I'm just closing some of the windows I've got open. Is there any more news? No, nothing up until an hour and a half, I think. So, all right, nothing to worry about. Do you only trade gold, guys?
Me? No, I
Hmm?
trade Nasdaq to NQ.
Nas- And what about you, Samuel? I think you said gold the other day, right?
Yes. Yes, I trade gold, but just recently I've added EU, NGU, and German 30. Those
Hmm.
three pairs, I've also added them to the arsenal.
See,
But I
almost
also,
percent level.
sorry?
No, no, like it almost reached the 50% level and it felt this parabolic up again and then started moving at the higher side. Actually, this is a
Yes.
good sign of buy this one.
Yeah.
Let's fight. If the next candle retraces, I'll just go for entry.
Mm.
Yeah, I entered around this level.
Mm. So you're waiting for this level.
No, I
Fine.
entered. I entered
Ah,
around
you
this.
entered. Okay.
Yeah.
It's already 40 pips.
Oh, it's a good. Okay, my actual target is this level only. This is my overall target.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, this is exactly where I entered around this level. Yeah, somewhere. Yeah. Not a good RR, but still it's a good trade.
Nice, nice, nice trade, bro.
Uh,
I hold this
support
from
from
5160.
yeah, it's,
5160. Wow.
yeah. It's if
It'll
he is
drop.
holding on 5160, it is very good trade.
Yeah.
To drop, I think. Yeah, it might drop. That is also possible.
The question to me is when people say that, I'm not referring exactly to Alibaba's or anyone in particular. But when they say it's about, it's, I don't know, it's going up, it's going down, well, that's for sure, because static, it won't be any instrument. But the question is not what will the instrument do, because obviously it will go up or down, but it's when and how far. Because if I'm after 40 pips, I will have to target a specific moment to enter. And if I'm targeting 200 pips, that's a whole different story. So it's not about what direction is going to take, but when and for how long. Um, Otherwise, price only can do these two things, going up or down. So it will go down 100% sure. But if anyone can tell me when exactly, I'll bet on him because I'll put some trades.
That is not possible. Can't expect the exact reversal point. We can't find out. We can't predict. Okay, again, what are the chances the market may reverse and then it will hit my stop loss, and then again, if the market may bounce back on the upside.
Yeah.
All you have to do is like do the probability and then keep profit from.
Wait for this. What do you mean by 100 times $100 winners? Is there any price or something?
I don't think so. I don't know about that.
To buy 4 p.m.? Oh, I'm not actually sure what you are talking about. 4 p.m. Dubai, it's already passed. If I'm not mistaken, it's 5:33 p.m. in Dubai. All right.
Just give me a minute. I'll have some water. Just give me a minute.
All right. Okay, gold moving down a little bit. Everything's still quiet. Sometimes I sense the
Maybe.
market is extremely quiet for some reason.
Yeah,
Uh,
like
and I've been having this feeling for around 30 minutes already. So I'm sensing something is going to explode upwards or downwards.
downwards. Yeah. It's like energy which is consolidating, just waiting for the right moment to pump
Yeah.
up.
Okay, I'm not the only one then.
Yeah.
Because I'm watching even all the markets, and Nasdaq, it's moving but quietly. Gold, DAX, I don't know. MD. Let me check the S&P. Hmm. S&P is going down. Nasdaq having the very same movement. Oh, that's interesting. All too quiet. All right.
I can see Ali Abbas is saying that yesterday's move was so big in gold, so that's why today the market is slow and it's like consolidating. I do agree. Sometimes when the previous day we do have quite large volume in the market, the following day tends to slow down. Like yesterday, I was reading a report that was saying over 2 point something trillion dollars was wiped out of the market yesterday just by gold and silver. If you think about it, that's like the whole of the crypto market combined was lost on gold yesterday and silver, which is up to absolutely mind-boggling.
Yes, yesterday was crazy. Actually, I'm just watching the charts, and we thought it was amazing a few days before, and it was
Yeah,
half of the movement, a third of the movement from yesterday. So yesterday was crazy.
true, true, true.
Let me draw. Mm-hmm.
I think it's consolidating a lot. I
Mm.
think that is going to be a breakout either on the high side or on the outside. That is going to hit.
Just 50% retracement from yesterday. Okay, so
I think it is going to hit my stop loss.
So sorry about that.
Um,
I think it is consolidating a lot.
yeah, it's very quiet, too quiet to my
Yeah.
liking.
Rosa, could you share your screen?
Yeah.
Yeah, 1 minute.
Let me share it.
Sure.
Can you see it? Let's do that one.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, no, no. It is not visible.
Nope.
Nope.
No, it's not working. Not sure why. Let me try again.
Okay.
Maybe there's no one. There's no people on the staff people just to help us. Let me. I don't think there's no one in the office. It's because of this Ramadan period. I
Yeah,
think they
yeah,
leave early, and maybe there's no one.
Yeah.
Hmm. So gold's absorbing the trades to shock them off. Um, on the sell side, you mean Rishi? Yeah, it could be. Yesterday was crazy, that's the truth. But since yesterday, half of the session, it's been slowly going up. Now it's kind of consolidating, but yeah, it might drop. The moment is when
yeah.
the thing
It
the
is actually
question.
trying to be a. It is actually trying to be a manipulation. The market went down and
Mm,
then it consolidated, and again the market took out this lows. Okay,
mm.
after taking out this, so the market reversed, and then it is taking a consolidation. Okay, on the buy side. Hello.
Screen not showing yet. So,
Yours. Oh wait, I'll just stop my screen.
so don't stop yours, just in case we are not able to go back to sharing screens. Uh,
Share screen now.
let me try again. But I think it's because there's no one. Nope. All right.
Okay. Or else I'll just stop my screen and then again you share screen.
All right.
Yeah, share screen now.
Okay. Now, now we can see it. All right.
Um, I think I have a small setup that I'm going to take.
Okay.
USD JPY. I think I'll go for longs with a very, very tight stop loss.
You want to share your screen?
Okay, let me try. Let me try.
Perfect.
Um,
I'll be back in 2 minutes, guys. 2 minutes.
Okay.
okay.
Yeah.
Can you see my screen?
Yes.
No. Okay. So I'll just share some of my analysis. Let me enter in one of my other accounts. Just give me a minute.
Mm-hmm.
Let me set this so that it can be seen. Um, okay. So that's my entry. My stop loss is right below the 30 minutes, the previous 30-minute candle.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, just give me a minute. So I've already entered buys right now. My reasoning behind this is um, I've also taken advantage of the fundamentals that have just come out. It's positive for the dollar, and I usually start my analysis from the daily time frame. And for staying long trades, I always love to see the previous day high taken out. So somebody might see this and say, wow, this is like a static play to the downside, heading all the way down. And it's true. I do see the potential of this of USD going down all the way to this point, but at the same time, we've changed character or have changed the market sentiment to bullish because of the fundamentals that have come out, and we have taken the previous day low. So for me, I always love taking my trades right around the low of the previous day so that I can get good RR all the way. So if this trade does go well, we are looking to get some sort of a 1:6 risk to reward. Also, as you can see, we are somewhat in line with the bullish trend going upwards. So that's why I'm really targeting this yesterday's high. But I also will put some partial positions all the way at 1:3.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, let me put my alert over there. So
Let's follow
that's
the trade. It seems interesting.
So yeah, and we also like from let's see the 4 hour. The 4 hour is about to close in 9 minutes, which kind of wants to close like a CRT. The 1 hour already we've seen a lot of rejection from this point. As you can see, this candle really wanted to go down, came back up. The next candle really wanted to go down, went back up. This is showing a lot of seller exhaustion in this area. We've not had any candle close below this point. So with this, what this tells me is buyers are really pushing and putting in the work to drive price up. So whenever I see such, I tend to look for buy opportunities rather than sell opportunities. So that's why I have gone in for a buy at this particular point, targeting at least a 1:3 or a 1:6, which is at this point. So yeah, let's see how it goes.
Okay, good, good.
Yeah. I reckon by the time we are hitting 6 p.m. a lot of volume is usually pumped in the market, so we might get a good reversal from this point.
What's the indicator?
Which indicator?
Like
I
the
have.
green arrow, yellow, it's a red arrow.
Oh, okay, okay. This indicator is called a wickless candle. It's called Ghost wickless candle. It helps me know where there are wickless candles. This is a strategy I've been testing out. Wherever there is a wickless candle, price tends to go there to retest that area. For example, we have a
Oh,
wickless candle here that has not been retested yet. So high chances is I might even, this is a point of interest that it seems like it will be retested. Okay, let's see like for gold. I don't know if gold hits. Did gold hit your stop loss? I hope not. Let's see gold. Um, yeah, if you backtest this, you'll see every point that there is a weakness candle that opens up, price tends to go back to that area and test it out. So,
Mm.
like over here, this is one of the reasons why I feel like gold will go down. We do have a weakless candle on the 1 minute that has not yet been tapped in. So, yeah, it doesn't like, especially the higher the time frame that there is a weakless candle, the higher chances of it going there. So I use that indicator and I also use the sessions indicator and also this news indicator. It always tells me when there is news here right on the chart. Another one is the inside bar candle. That's why you can see some candles are kind of a different color. Those are candles which from inside other candles. So the
okay.
USDJPY trade is going on well. Let's see how it
The market
goes.
almost hit my stop loss and then it is now reversing. Let's see. Almost.
Sorry about that. Yeah.
I think it is going to fall gold. I'll just book my loss.
Sorry.
Mm.
Sorry about that, bro.
No,
Mostly
that's fine.
because of the fundamentals.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's fine. Like, see, my accuracy is actually 60%. That's
That's
actually good.
good.
Yeah.
That's very good. Yeah. As you can see here, over here, we had a weakless candle that, can you see? If you notice anywhere there is a red candle, that shows that bearish candle opened without a wick. And when you see that every time Russ has to come and check it out, check it out, check it out, check it out, over and over again. Gold seems like it will fall, but I can't sell it at this point. I just have to wait for it to come to my area. Yes, EJPY trade is going on smoothly, but right now we are at 1:2, I don't know, 1:1. Right now we are at 1:1. Hoping to hold it for at least today's Tokyo session or Asia session. And if I don't see any reversals, all the way to previous day high. So let's wait and
Oh,
see.
okay.
Gold is really slow today.
It is, but something is about to happen.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure.
GU also very slow. USD JPY. That's going well. GBP JPY didn't tag me today. Yeah, Nasdaq. Yeah, if I was to trade Nasdaq today, I would be a bit bullish. Since the price action today is bullish price action. It's 30. Yeah, today it tagged me in. Yeah, let's see what gold wants to do. Rosa, do you have something? Maybe you want to share on the screen today?
Yeah, bear with me a second. It's because
Okay.
I'm just restarting the platform. Or it's the fifth time I have to restart the platform for
Okay.
whatever reason. I'm not fully working properly. I don't know what's going on, so I keep rebooting and rebooting. Um, but yeah, let
Okay.
me try to share my screen for a second.
Okay.
Um,
Waiting
it's
for that
like,
foolish president to say something before gold
ah,
react.
okay, okay.
Mentioned in the chat.
Yeah, it's foolish, but honestly, we need him in the sense of market movement. Every time he sneezes, like something happens.
Yeah.
3,000 pips, up or down.
Yeah.
It's like, and for us traders, we need movement. We need we need volatility. We
True,
like it or
true.
not.
Yeah.
You can't again. You're not able to see my screen.
No, not yet.
Let me try and remove it first. Well, I can see somebody asked a question on what's the name of the news indicator, please. It's called by
Two
News
degrees.
by yes, 2 degrees. Just check this on it's free, it's a free indicator. Just check it out. It's called News on 2 degrees, and it normally changes regards to the pair that you are trading. So yeah.
That's interesting.
Yeah,
Oh,
nice. Now you
now,
can see a
okay.
screen.
Now you can see. All right. So I took a sell, but it was a fast. I managed to take one partial and then it hit break even. And I have nothing else for now. There's absolutely nothing I can trade.
So what indicator you're using? Like EMA
Oh,
crossover.
these are moving averages. This is the 200 moving average, 800, and this is the 1,000, just because it's the 5 minutes. And the small ones
Thousand
are,
moving
sorry,
thousand.
1,000, yeah.
Okay.
And then 21 and 13 just for the fast movement. It's because I only work in 1 minute, so I need to keep track of the price. To be honest, the one I actually use is the 200. This is the main important. Not because I'm not trading upwards or downwards, depending on the prices, just because the inclination is it's the only thing I see. And then as you can see here, I try to find the patterns that gold's giving me every single second. Let me. Oh, I don't have too much. Just bear with me a second. Uh, 5,000 and bear with me a second. Just a second. I'm just restarting, like I've been doing all afternoon. All right. So, so as I was saying, I keep finding these things here, these patterns here. Same thing happened here. These two legs give me a lot of confidence. Let me just use one of the tools I have, which I don't know what it is. Okay, I don't know where my things are.